Hindi talaga matatawaran ang mga kontribusyon ni The Big Difference Kaloy Loizaga sa larangan ng basketball. Kaya ang kanyang alma mater nagbigay pugay sa pamamaalam sa sinasabing pinakamahusay na basketballistang Pinoy sa kasaysayan. Umaaksyon si Lynn Olivario.
Sa San Beda nagmula ang tinaguriang greatest Filipino basketball player of all time na si Kaloy Loizaga. Kaya naman ang kanyang pamilya, minabuting sa Abbey of Our Lady of Montserrat Church ng San Beda magpaalam sa yumaong basketball legend sa huling pagkakataon.
He grew up here. He was from here. He was well known. This is where he started his career. So it is just but proper that he should say his goodbye and farewell from here as well.
Kasama ang buong pamilya ni The Big Difference, nagbigay pugay ang San Beda community.
So what we do with the examples left by our idol, our icon, Kaloy, the answer is in our hands.
Present din ang kasalukuyang Red Lions para magpaalam sa anilay The Real King Lion.
Nilulook up namin siya for his greatness and will definitely dedicate this season sa kanya po talaga.
Ang aktor at apo na si Diego Loizaga, ikinagulat ang pagpanaw ng kanyang lolo. Pero mabuti na rin daw na natapos na ang paghihirap nito.
I saw him the night before and he was still strong and he still held my hand very strong. He still had a strong grip. But I think it was time for him to rest already.
Kilala si King Kaloy sa pagiging bahagi ng national team na nakasungkit ng 4 na sunod na gold medal sa Asian Championship mula 1951 hanggang 1962. Nakatungtong din ang 6'3" forward sa Olympics noong 1952 at 1956. At nakasungkit pa ng bronze medal sa 1954 FIBA World Championship sa Brazil kung saan naging bahagi siya ng Mythical Five. Kaya naman sana raw ay manatiling buhay ang kanyang legasiya.
If there was something that I would continue in his name is really to look at opportunities wherein you can always use your talent, not for yourself, but for something bigger than yourself.
Umaaksyon, Lynn Olivario, News 5.
Be sure to come back. Use 5 everywhere. Copyright 2016.